Preventing common illnesses and infections. Preventing common illnesses and infections is crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. Illnesses such as the common cold, influenza, and bacterial infections can disrupt daily life and lead to more severe health complications if not managed properly. This video drills into effective strategies for preventing common illnesses and infections through lifestyle choices, hygiene practices, vaccinations, and more. Key strategies for prevention. Practice good hygiene. Hand washing and cleaning. Frequency. Wash your hands regularly, especially before eating, after using the restroom, and after coughing or sneezing. Also, whenever you go out in public for grocery shopping or whatever, try to carry sanitizing wipes or liquid with you to clean your hands occasionally during that time, because of touching objects, like railings, door handles, etc. until you can get home and wash thoroughly. Technique. Use soap and water, scrubbing for at least 20 seconds. If soap and water are not available, use a hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol. Cover your mouth and nose. Use a tissue or your elbow to cover your mouth and nose when you cough or sneeze. Dispose of tissues properly. Throw used tissues in the trash immediately. Avoid touching your face. Keep your hands away from your eyes, nose, and mouth to prevent the spread of germs. Maintain a healthy diet. Balanced nutrition. Vitamins and minerals. Ensure your diet includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats to provide essential nutrients that support the immune system. Antioxidants. Foods rich in antioxidants, such as berries, nuts, and leafy greens, can help protect cells from damage and boost immune function. Limit sugary drinks. Reduce consumption of sugary beverages, which can suppress immune function. Physical activity. Routine. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise per week. Variety. Include a mix of cardiovascular, strength, and flexibility exercises to support overall health. Immune boost. Regular exercise enhances circulation, allowing immune cells to move through the body more efficiently. Stress reduction. Physical activity reduces stress, which can otherwise weaken the immune system. Get adequate sleep. Sleep quality. Duration. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Consistency. Maintain a regular sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same times each day. Immune support. Sleep is essential for the immune system to function properly and repair itself. Protection. Vaccinations protect against specific diseases and prevent the spread of infections. Community immunity. High vaccination rates contribute to herd immunity, protecting those who cannot be vaccinated. Common vaccinations. Influenza. Annual flu shots to protect against the seasonal flu. MMR. Measles, mumps, rubella. Routine vaccination for children and adults who have not been immunized. Tdap. Tetanus, diphtheria, pertussis. Booster shots recommended every 10 years. COVID-19. Vaccines to protect against the coronavirus and its variants. Stress management. Mindfulness and meditation. Practices that help reduce stress and promote mental well-being. Deep breathing exercises. Techniques to calm the mind and body. Physical activity. Exercise as a way to manage stress and improve mood. Immune function. Chronic stress can weaken the immune system, making it more susceptible to infections. Managing stress helps maintain a strong immune response. Specific tips for preventing common illnesses. Common cold. Hand washing. Wash hands frequently to prevent the spread of viruses. Avoid close contact. Stay away from individuals who are sick. Sanitize surfaces. Regularly clean and disinfect commonly touched surfaces. Symptom relief. Use over-the-counter medications to alleviate symptoms. Influenza, flu. Vaccination. Get an annual flu shot. Hand hygiene. Wash hands regularly and use hand sanitizer. Avoid crowds. Limit exposure to large groups during flu season. Antiviral medications. Consult a healthcare provider for antiviral drugs if you contract the flu. Hydration and rest. Stay hydrated and get plenty of rest. Gastrointestinal infections. Food safety. Practice proper food handling and cooking to prevent foodborne illnesses. Clean water. Ensure access to clean and safe drinking water. Medical advice. Seek medical advice for persistent or severe symptoms. Skin infections. Prevention. Hygiene. Keep skin clean and dry. Avoid sharing personal items. Do not share towels, razors, or other personal items. Wound care. Clean and cover cuts or wounds to prevent infection. Treatment. Topical antibiotics. Use as prescribed by a healthcare provider. Proper wound care. Keep the area clean and covered. Preventing common illnesses and infections involves a combination of good hygiene practices, a healthy lifestyle, regular vaccinations, and effective stress management. By incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you can significantly reduce the risk of illness and improve overall health. Always consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice and recommendations, especially regarding vaccinations and treatment options. If you received value from this video, please like, subscribe and comment.